Hello. Today, we will talk about the present simple tense. Do you know what it is?
No, teacher. What is it?
The present simple tense talks about things that happen every day or things that are always true.
Oh. Like I go to school every day?
Yes. Very good. That is a present simple sentence.
Thank you, teacher. How do we make present simple sentences?
It's easy. We use the base form of the verb. Like, I eat apples. She likes music. They play football.
Oh. But why do we say she likes and not she like?
Good question. With he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. He reads books. She drinks water. It rains in winter.
Ah. I understand now. What about negative sentences?
For negatives, we use do not, don't, or does not before the verb. I don't like coffee. She does not play football.
Oh. And questions?
For questions, we use do or does at the beginning. Do you like pizza? Does she have a cat?
Wow. It's easy. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Now, try making a sentence.
Okay. He eats banana.
Perfect. Well done.